Okay, I'll just turn off Unigen and I just want to show you the temperatures. This is speed fan. You can see the temperatures here. GPU is 30 degrees, core is, well, 10 degrees, 4 degrees. And coming over here to hardware monitor, you got the temperatures there and the CPU. Where is it? There is 5 degrees, maximum temperature is 22 degrees. I'm coming down to the graphics card, maximum temperature is 36 and it's gone down to about 30. So that's that little section there. Just to give you guys, I just running to see how loud this is. The camera going to go right in CPU. Well, sorry, right in the PC now. This bloody fridge just come on. Typical. So the camera now is right in the middle, right by the CPU. I've got the back fan there sucking air in. 3 fans at the top sucking air out. And 3 fans at the front sucking air in. Alpha Cool 60mm thick 360 rad at the front, and Alpha Cool 360 60mm thick rad at the top, taking air out. Power supply, not sure yet if to get an EVGA 1000 watt or an 850 or a Corsair 850 HX850i or an HX1000i. I've done a Cooler Master PSU check, PSU check, and it reckons with 2 GTX 980s and the bits and pieces I've got in my PC upstairs, it reckons an 831 watt PSU, so give or take 25% extra. I would say it would be an HX1000i or an EVGA, but I don't like the red. EVGA got the red frigging cables on it, so we'll see. As I say, that's all time to come. Alright guys, thanks for watching.